Grocery shopping can be such a chore, but it's also a great learning opportunity for children of all ages. Welcome back, Edelkampers, to another Tuesday Teachable Moment, where we explore, experience, and educate together. Efficient shoppers make a list before going to the store. How your child participates depends on your child's age and their reading ability. If your child is not reading yet, hand them a circular from the grocery store, a piece of paper, safety scissors, and some glue. Read your grocery list to them one item at a time, asking your child to find a picture of that item. When you are finished, your pictures should match your list. Apples. So let's search through the circular to find the apples. Cut them out. And glue them to their paper. You're going to continue this process until their grocery list matches your grocery list. If your child is reading or writing, give your child a pencil and a piece of paper. Name off what you need at the store, calling the items one at a time, and have them write them down for you. Today I need apples. And they can write apples. Bacon. Ice cream. Now remember, depending on your child's age, they may be doing some inventive spelling, or they may be sounding it out and spelling it correctly. Even much older children can participate too. Give your child a copy of a recipe card from a recipe that you're about to make. Ask them to look around the kitchen to see what you have in stock to determine what items you still need from the store. Then have them make a grocery list based on their findings. At the store, have your child pick out the items from their list. Have your child estimate how much your apples weigh, then weigh them and compare the difference. Older children can estimate how much they will cost based on the weight and price per pound. Finally, before checkout, your children can estimate how many items you have in your cart and count them. Happy shopping! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to Teachable Moments and ring that notification bell.